Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell laptop driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. Then click on support and then click on the drivers downloads. Then you can see enter the service tag and serial number if you know. Otherwise you enter the model number Dell 14 plus 2 in 1. Select this. So this is your laptop and you can see there are two methods to install the driver. First, automatic, just click to check the update, so system will scan the required driver. You can see this, then after that you can install. Otherwise you have select, so just click on the select the driver, then by default selected operating system. Scroll down, click on categorize. This is microphone, Wi-Fi driver, storage, video, all driver you can see. Then guys, install the giga graphic card driver. Scroll down, find out the video. You can see the Intel graphic card driver. You just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So guys, I already downloaded. You just clicked, you can see there are two options. You just continue. After that you can see start installations. And this is big heavy size of graphic card driver, so it will take some time to installations. This is completed, then restart your system.